Okay, cousins, if you are yet to file your taxes, there is one tax deduction that has been missed by a lot of people, and I want to make sure that I drop it in because sometimes even us, we forget to ask people this. So if you bought a new car in 2025, okay, and this is going to go from 2025 through 2028, you're allowed to write off the interest that you pay on that car note. All right, so now this must have been purchased after December 2024, so from January 1st, 2025. If you bought a car for personal use, this is not for business, okay? For personal use, and it doesn't matter if you itemize or use the standard deduction, you're allowed to write off the interest for the car. If you bought multiple cars, you can add up the interest, but you can only write off up to $10,000 in car interest that you paid, okay, car loan interest that you paid. Now, this car has to be assembled in the US, okay? Doesn't matter what brand it is, so long as it is assembled here in the US, it qualifies, has to be a brand new car, and has to weigh, I think, under 14,000 pounds, and I'm going to check that again. So, but if you did purchase a new car, don't miss out on this interest deduction because you don't have to itemize to take it. It doesn't matter if you itemize or you use standard deduction, just like you have the no tax on tips and stuff like that. You can leverage this as well. If you're planning to buy a car for 2026, 27 or 28, you will still be able to benefit from this write-off. So make a note of it. Don't forget, if you haven't filed your taxes yet and you did have that interest, it could definitely help with reducing your tax liability or helping you get back more. I didn't want to forget to drop that in. So please share with someone who bought a new car last year, especially if they didn't pay all of it cash and they're paying a car note and paying interest on the car. To be able to claim this, you're going to need to send your VIN number and the interest that you paid. So look at the payments you'll be making for your car. Look at what you paid for interest. This doesn't apply to lease, okay, car leases, because when you're leasing, you're just renting. It's only for people that actually purchase the car and making payments on the car every month, and I've been paying a certain amount towards interest. So add up all of that, what you paid for interest last year, and you're able to get that deduction. I hope that's helpful. All right, you all be safe out there.